Bueno amigos, nos encontramos nuevamente aquí en Action Clutch. Ahora vamos a armar un Stage 3 disco para todos ustedes ahí. ¡Vamos!
Yo, we're back guys, and we are building a Stage 3. I want to talk about an important fact of these Stage 3, the double springs. You see, what the double springs do, they help not shock the driveline as much as unsprung clutches. And another important fact that we love to include is our fully enclosed retainers. If a spring ever pops out, it's never, ever gonna go and damage anything else in your transmission. So our fully closed retainers, they prevent any springs from popping out and just causing a world of ruckus inside of your transmission. All right guys, you guys saw the whole process of our Stage 3 clutch, our 6-puck sprung clutch disc. If you guys want any more information, hit us up, www.actionclutch.com, sales@actionclutch.com, or give us a call. Ready? Vamos!